days. We have completed work exercise 10. Look at work exercise 11. It's the same thing. Here we have to fill the blanks. Is it? Similarly, it is a division as we have done in question number 10. But the answer you have to write as a blanks. 2 whole 5 by 9 divided by 2 whole 5 by 9. A number when it is divided by itself, it gives you 1. Is it? If you want to check, 9 2s are 18 plus 5, 23 by 9 divided by 23 by 9, or it gives you 23 by 9 into 9 by 23. So you don't need to do this all, because a number when it is multiplied with itself, it gives you 1. That we know. So 2 whole 5 by 9 divided by 2 whole 5 by 9 is equal to 1. Look at number 2. 5 whole 9 by 10 divided by 1, it gives the same number. 5 whole 9 by 10. Any number if it is divided by 1, it gives you as it is. Number C. This is B. This is A. 3 by 4 divided by dash is equal to 3 by 4. When the answer remains as it is, when it is divided by 1. So we'll write here 1 in the blanks. Next number D. 7 whole 5 by 6 divided by dash is equal to 1. So when answer is 1, if a number is divided by itself. So this also 7 whole 5 by 6. 0 divided by 5 by 9. Any number, if 0 is divided by any number, answer is 0 itself. Next one. Now the work start. 1 divided by 5 by 8. Now you see, you have to solve it. 1 into 8 by 5 it would be. So the answer gives you reciprocal of 5 by 8. So what would be the reciprocal of 5 by 8? 8 by 5. See, there is a difference. If a number is divided by 1, it remains as it is. 3 by 4 divided by 1, it remains 3 by 4. But if 1 is divided by a fraction, we get its reciprocal. Is it? So this answer would be 8 by 5. Now come to question number G. I'm rubbing this upper portions. Look at question number G. It says 2 whole 5 by 6 divided by 1. Now I cannot write it 2 whole 6 by 5. That would not be answer. So we have to convert it into improper. 6 2s are 12, 5, 17 by 6 divided by 1, or it remains as it is. So it gives you, if a number is divided by 1, it remains as it is. But if 1 would be divided, it is changed. Is it? So it remains 2 whole 5 by 6. Sorry, it will be 2 whole 5 by 6 only. Because the number is divided by 1. 1 is not divided by the number. It changes when 1 is divided by the number. H 9 whole 5 by 7 divided by 9 whole 5 by 7. It remains as it is 1. I dash divided by 8 by 9 is equal to 1. So here it will be 8 by 9. And last J dash divided by 3 by 4 gives you 0. So what divided by 3 by 4? 0 is divided by 3 by 4. That gives you 0. There only one question number F is different. Others are same. One, you divide a fraction with 1, you get the same fraction. If the fraction is divided by the same fraction, you get 1 as an answer. But if 1 is divided by a fraction, you get the reciprocal of that fraction. So question number 8 is different than the other sums. You must practice some sums like question number F. Okay, you can write and you can practice. Next day we'll be solving some extra questions. Till then you must keep practicing. Thank you, dears.